Oh, I made my mom. Well, oh yeah, well, I didn't make her, but anyways, she was out there mowing the yard, and so she had her phone with her, and I told her to go listen to Justin Bieber's Zendaya, and she went to listen to it, and she started singing this song, literally while mowing, and I was like, Mom. And she was like, go away, and I was like, okay, bye. And then I walked into the house, and I walked into the bathroom. I didn't know my brother was using the bathroom, and he's in there with his phone, rapping Justin Bieber's, and I'm like, okay, well that's nice. So yeah, but Justin Bieber is in there, okay? Yep.